Welcome to the British Museum, a world-renowned institution that holds one of the largest and most comprehensive collections of human history, art, and culture ever assembled. The museum was established in 1753, thanks to the donation of over 71,000 items by physician and collector Sir Hans Sloane. Just 6 years later, in 1759, the British Museum officially opened to the public, making it the first national public museum in the world, open to all and free of charge. Among the museum's most iconic artifacts is the Rosetta Stone, discovered in 1799 in Egypt. This stone was the key to deciphering ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs, unlocking the secrets of one of the world's oldest civilizations. Another major highlight is the Parthenon sculptures, also known as the Elgin marbles, acquired by Lord Elgin in the early 1800s from the Parthenon in Athens. Their presence in the museum has been the subject of ongoing international controversy, with Greece demanding their return. Beyond these famous pieces, the museum houses treasures like the Egyptian mummies, massive Assyrian reliefs depicting lion hunts, and the Sutton, whose ship burial, a major archaeological discovery that reshaped our understanding of early medieval England. The British Museum isn't limited to European and Mediterranean civilizations. Its galleries explore the histories of Africa, Asia, the Islamic world, Oceania, and the Americas. From the Benin bronzes of Nigeria to Chinese scrolls, Japanese samurai armor, Aztec stone sculptures, and Islamic calligraphy, the museum offers a global view of human culture. With over 8 million objects in its collection, only a small fraction of which are on display. The museum is also a hub for academic research, conservation, and digital innovation. Scholars from around the world use its archives to study everything from ancient scripts to colonial history. However, the museum has also faced criticism. Many items were acquired during the era of the British Empire, raising questions about colonialism, cultural ownership, and repatriation. Calls for the return of artifacts, like the Benin bronzes and Ethiopian manuscripts, are part of ongoing global debates. Despite the controversies, the British Museum remains a powerful space for learning and reflection, a place where visitors can explore 2 million years of human history in a single day. From virtual tour and digital archives to on-site exhibitions and free educational programs, the museum continues to evolve, making knowledge accessible to millions of visitors, both in person and online. The British Museum is more than a building full of relics. It's a living archive of human achievement, conflict, belief, and creativity. It invites us to ask big questions about our past and how it shapes our future. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into museums, history, and the stories behind the world's greatest artifacts.